Yo, what's up YouTube? Today is a great day. We finally got the brand new skid plate from BJ's Garage, and we're going to be installing that on my 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Ooh. This is a awesome skid plate. It is made out of stainless steel. It gets rid of that flimsy plastic junk underneath there. If you've ever broken one of the plastic pieces, your car is on bags, it is lowered. Definitely stick around for this video. You just may want to pick one of these up. It is very high quality, it looks really good, and it is the quality that you can expect from BJ's Garage. So let's go ahead and get into this video. We'll unbox the product and install it on my 2015 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, and you guys can get an idea of what the plastic piece looks like and swapping it out for this brand new stainless steel, and it looks amazing, guys. So let's get off into that, shall we? Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. And in today's video, we are going to be taking a first look of the brand new BJ's Garage 570 skid plate for Chargers, Challengers, Magnums, pretty much everything LX. This will fit. He was kind enough to send us out a unit to do a unboxing and install. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. I am at my good friend Jason's shop, Muffler World 2. Here in El Centro, California. I will put his info in the video description if you need any performance parts, anything, any work done on your vehicle, maintenance, performance. He is the guy to go to. This is where I take all of my vehicle for all of the service or things that we don't do ourselves in our own garage. And he's just an all-around great guy. So let's go ahead and take a look at the skid plate. It's made out of stainless steel, has the BJ's Garage quality you can come to expect, and it's a very easy install. Gets rid of the plastic junk that is underneath there, and it kind of helps protect your vehicle from road debris and if you're lowered and on bags especially. So let's take a look at the skid plate here, then we'll lift the car up on the lift thanks to my buddy Jason and show you what we're taking off and what the skid plate looks like all installed up underneath the car. So let's do that, guys. Okay guys, so here is what you are gonna get when you order the BJ's Garage 570 splitter. And this is a mounting hole here, another mounting hole. It's got a air vent to release airflow so you don't get so much hood shatter in a sense. And it's a real high quality piece of metal here, and it's gonna look really good underneath the car when it's all said and done. So I am super excited to get this bad boy mounted up and installed. So let's go ahead and put this boat in the air and get this skid plate ready to rock and roll underneath here, shall we? Okay guys, so this is the stock plastic service panel that we are gonna be removing here. As you can see, my buddy Deuce is working on. And basically what that is gonna do, we're gonna remove this plastic one and put the stainless BJ's Garage one in there, and it's gonna look really good, guys. So let's get this one out of there with these 4 bolts here. Real simple, and we will get the stainless, the steel one on there. Okay guys, so here we have the skid plate all fully installed here up underneath of the car where the plastic one goes, and as you can see it looks really nice up under there, guys. Got a lot of protection versus the plastic one, and I'm very pleased to have this up under the car, guys. Huge shout out to Brian at BJ's Garage for sending us out a unit to do a install and review. But this is what it looks like on the car, guys. Real great stuff, and the scat pack is fully protected underneath now. So be sure to check out BJ's Garage, his website, where you can get this product and many other products for the modern Mopars. Okay guys, so here we are on the BJ's Garage 570 website, and what we're gonna do is scroll down to the bottom where you will find the skid plates here. This one is for the Dodge Magnum, and the one here is for the Dodge Charger, and you can see they are $139.99. So let's go ahead and click that here. There's a few images, a brief description, and down here at the bottom is where you're going to pick your vehicle that it is going under. So for mine, it is the Scat Pack. So that is what we are going to pick. Now, time for the discount code. You can enter the code here. Let's go ahead and do that now. Hit enter. Now this Hemifam code has now unlocked 10% off your order. So that brings your $139 plus the shipping and gives you a nice $14 discount. So now we are at $172.09 out the door, ready to rock and roll. You can now proceed to checkout. He accepts PayPal, credit cards. Get your order in, and your Mopar will be protected underneath with the brand new skid plate from BJ's Garage. Okay everyone, that is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, if it helped you, give us a huge thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you have one, if you plan to get one, all that great stuff, guys. And as always, check our video description. We have awesome affiliate links, promo codes, great information on this video, and check it out, guys. I really can't thank each and every one of you that tunes in and watches this video. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn the bell on for post notifications so you never miss a video as they go live, and you can stay up to date with all things Hemifam. So again, guys, you guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.